In this video, I want to show you how to install Blender 2.78. Blender is a free 3D modeling software. You can just download online and install. However, most times when you install it, you realize that the software will not open because of a graphic card issue. But in this process, I will show you how to install it so that when you launch it, it will open. So to do that, this is the setup, Blender 3D 2.78. So I'll just double click, and I'm using 64-bit system. I'll just right click this setup and click on install. Click on next, accept the terms in the license and click on next. Click next, then click install. The installation will take only few minutes. Yes, the installation is done successfully. You can now click on finish and then close this page. Then come to start and come to recently added. You can see Blender. If you can't find it under recently added, come to the folder. You can see Blender folder. So here, just click here to launch it. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see Blender 2.78. So guys, this is how to install Blender 2.78 without having graphic issue that usually pop up when you install it. If you like this video, buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching.